Hello, 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 everybody. Oh, I love doing this. Like, I'm so excited. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Growth Space with me, Lira. I don't know why I whispered that. But hey, the day is finally here. So, today I'm finally going to crochet my bikini. My first crochet bikini because I've never had a crochet bikini, and I'm gonna do it myself. Yay! So yeah, the day's finally here for me to crochet my first bikini. There, something that I promised like 2 months ago. Girl, let's not let's not do that to ourselves. But yeah. Also, I haven't even started with the project. So girl, anywho, I don't want to waste time, but I have for crocheting, right? Do you guys think this is like a crochet pattern? Okay, let me not lose focus girl. Anywho, so before I started this video, I just kind of like, I already knew how to crochet, but I kind of like revived my knowledge on that, if you could say. English is not my mother. I kind of revived my knowledge on that, and I've learned how to do like the first line and then double crochet, which means now I'm good to go. Like I can crochet anything that I want. Like it's so easy. I don't know why I ever said before that I don't know how to crochet, but it's so easy. It's super, okay, not super easy, but it's like so fun. And yeah, since I know how to double crochet, I can like do the whole thingy, and I don't want to talk too much because I tend to ramble. I'll just go. Let's transfer back to my table where I'll show you guys everything that I got, and then I'm gonna get to measurements and stuff like that because I've just been doing like random stitches. Okay, y'all, this is a very weird angle. Your girl tried. All right, I tried. I know this is a very weird angle, but welcome to my desk. So this is where I keep my crochet stuff in a little sheet street in my little sheet street bag. And yeah, this is just like my everyday setup. Welcome. So here is where I usually do most of the crocheting, and I'll show you guys. So I'm watching something. Can't see. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah. But let's start with this. Everything that's here. So see, I got, okay, just got to the side for a moment. I already had these, but then I wanted the measurement tape. This one, the measuring tape, sorry. And I got it, so I'm gonna get into that and I'll film when I'm measuring everything, because the only thing I've done so far is this kind of like a belt thingy, but it's too wide. So, because I don't want it wide, it's gonna be like on the underside of the bra. It's supposed to be here. Like, I don't want it too wide. Also, I didn't like this color. You see this? I wanted a deeper blue, but it's fine. It is what it is. So this is what I've done so far. Cute, I know. Girl, anything that you can do with your hands, trust me to be able to ace it. Oh my god, this is a weird angle. Again, so what I used was, where is this thing? Where are you, girl? Where are you? So I'm using 1.5, not one. Is it this one? No, I lost it. I don't even know what it's called. Y'all, it's difficult being me. It's difficult. Okay, let me look for this thing. I think it fell to the floor. I'll just explain everything before I start watching and then do what I'm doing. So here would be me kind of showing you how I do this thing, but I'm already on double crochet, so it's just like, I think it's useless. I don't know, guys. If you want someone to teach you how to crochet, I guess just watch any other YouTube videos. This is a project. Okay, but this is how I do it. It's needle inside and then yarn over, being yarn over 1, boom, and then do the same thing again. Go inside. So I have like little two thingies here. I can't even explain this because I'm not an expert. Just yeah, if you want to learn how to, just click on an expert video, I guess. No, soon I'm going to be an expert, but yeah, this is what I've been doing. And then I don't think I'm going to continue with the stitch because this is not like the pattern. The pattern is okay, but it's too wide because I'm starting with a bra. If you call it a bra, if it's a bikini, I'm starting with a bikini top. Okay, so I'll just, yeah, it's a waste, but it's fine because it's my first time, which is also why I didn't buy like an expensive yarn, because I was like, why would I? Girl, no, not me, not here. We don't do that. And I bought this little ribbon thingy. I just as embarrassing as it is, y'all, I finally finished crocheting my bikini. It looks like someone who was trying to crochet for the first time, but I did it. Yay! Okay, different angle. These are the buttons. Guys, I know. Also, they're not fine, okay, but I know it's a little bit hard to see the vision with the tights on, and also they are high-waisted, so yeah. The front is fine, well, according to me at least. And then tell me why the back just, oh my god. Oh my god, but worry not, you know what, the good thing about having your model right here in front of you is that I can easily fix, because I have my crochet needle somewhere. Okay, I can't see it. Also, these are the scraps of my trials and fails throughout this whole project. I don't even know what I was going to do with this. I was just practicing how to crochet. And then, guys, I don't want to say it's difficult, but it very much is challenging. I don't want to lie. And it can be time consuming, especially if you are a beginner. And I like these. What do you guys think about these caps? So vision, see, this would have been like, I don't know, maybe I'll continue to turn this into a bra as well, because it's, I don't know, they're quite decent, whatever. But yeah, this is it for my bikini series, y'all. But now that I know how to crochet, I'll definitely be making more of these, and it's so fun. And it took me like 3 or 4 walls to do this whole thing, so it doesn't even waste anything except for my time. But hopefully next time I'll be quicker with it. And yeah, girl, I'm definitely gonna add 2 more lines on this, but it's not bad at all. And I finally did my first crochet bikini. Woo, woo, woo. Unfortunately, I can't wear this anyway out, whatever. And I don't think I've ever worn a bikini outside. I struggle with the settings of this thing every time. Okay, anywho, if you've made it this far to the video, thank you so much, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I don't know, guys, do you think this was a fail? And out of 10, how much would you give me for my little project? Oh, also the fun thingy, I added a bow because I thought it was gonna be cutesy to just have a little bow in the middle of my bikini top, and it's so cute. It's not the same color, but it's like, I like it, and you can see the imperfection here. Girl, I'm learning, okay? I'm learning, but I'm getting there. Yeah, they are literally yo, not my mother. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I was saying that this is the end of this video, and if you were to rate my crocheting skills from 1 to 5, 1 being like really bad and 5 being, oh, it's actually decent for someone who's trying this for the first time. And for me, I would give myself, not to be cocky, but I would give myself like a 4. I had a few things to fix, but like, it looks decent, okay? And no, I'm not gonna add like a rating of 10 because I know that 10 is like for pros. I'm very far away from that, but yeah, yay, excited. Anywho, I've been your host Lirata, and this is Cloud Space. What's my outro? Girl, I don't have an outro. That's sad. I should think of something motivating to leave you guys with. You know what? The old me would do that and be like, love yourself unconditionally before you love others. Anywho, ciao. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever. I will reply.